Welcome to my channel Flutter Coding 101. So in today's video, we are going to make an image generator using AI. So the AI that we are going to be using is Stability AI, and we are going to be creating this with the help of Flutter. So the first thing that you need to do over here is go to the Stability Image Generation package from pub.dev and install this package in your application. So you can do it by using the command prompt. You can add the command pub add stability image generation, or you can just copy it in your pubspec.yml file. So you can just add it or you can copy it in under dependencies. So here you can see in I have added stability image generation. So once you have added this, you need to create your API key using the stability inside your stability AI. So you go to the website stability.ai, you go to use API. Once you are here, go to stable image core. Over here, grab your API key. And from here you can copy your API key. Once you have done this, I have used the code that they have given as an example, and I have made my own modifications in the same code. I'll be explaining the code along with as we go. So here you can see the first thing. So this is how the UI looks. So there's a prompt that we can enter. Okay, so whatever we enter, for example, if I enter Snow Kingdom, okay, and then I press this button, it's taking a while. So it has generated an image of a snow kingdom. And so this is basically how the UI looks. So for this, I have created a text field. I have added the input decoration, the borders and the content padding, the fill color and everything. After that, I have used a small container in case there is no image that is yet generated. So you will be showing that container with a small icon. And there's a floating action button that I have used, inside which when I click on that button, okay, the prompt controller is this controller I have used inside my text field. So if it checks if it is not empty, then this is loaded is set to true. Is loaded is a boolean variable. Otherwise, if it is empty, then it will show that I have not entered any prompt. For example, I do not enter any prompt and I click on this button. So it shows that no prompt has been entered. After this, there is a method that a function that I've created named as generate. So in this function, the return type is a unit 8 list, okay, and inside which I enter the prompt that I will be giving inside. And then using the okay, so here I have initialized the stability AI, okay, and this is my API key. This is the style of the image which would be generated. So this could be generated in different styles. So you can say it could be an anime. Okay, so let's try with anime once. We'll reload this. You can specify the different styles that you wish to use. So it has generated an image in the form of an anime. You can select different types over here. So it could be a cartoon, or it could be a cyberpunk, or a medieval style. For example, if I want it to be medieval style, okay, and over here I put in the prompt saying maybe princess wedding, okay, and I just hit enter. So it has generated in the form of a medieval um, in medieval style. 1 minute. Or let's say a royal kingdom. So it has generated an image in the form of a medieval. I will keep this as cartoon for now. Okay, so this is the type of the style of the image. So what you can also do is you can make a drop down over here, and in the drop down you can select the image style, and then according to the image style that you have selected, it will generate a prompt, so you don't have to change it in the code every single time. So in this generate function I am passing the prompt. Okay, and once I have passed the prompt, I am calling the generate image method, in which I'm passing my API key, the style of my image, and the prompt that I would be passing, and then it returns the image that it returns over here, that I will be showing. So I've used a future builder with the type unit8 list. So until it shows me an image, I will be checking if my state is waiting. If my state is waiting, I'll be showing a circular progress indicator. If there is an error that has occurred, I will be showing snapshot.error, so whatever error has occurred. And if it has data, then I have used this clip rect widget to show the image, that is the data snapshot.data, which has the image, and I've used image.memory since it will convert those bytes into image format. So then it will show the image. So this is how you create your own image generator. You can use it for different kinds of application. You can modify it. You could be making a whole assistant using the chatbot, or trivia questions, or an image generator along with it. Let's try one more prompt. So let's try animal party. So it's loading, and here you can see there is a party going on. Different animals are there, so you can keep experimenting with this. Different prompts you can give. You can try out different things. I hope you all like this video, and please do like, share, and subscribe. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.